Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a review of a new palette that I just received. I know it's not very new here on YouTube because I know a lot of you are already having this palette, but I think it's never too late to do a review. And the palette that I am talking about is this palette. This is the Morphe in collaboration with James Charles. This is how the packaging looks like. It's very nice. It's a white grayish kind of a packaging. You can see James here, which is having such an amazing makeup. Okay, now let's open the package. It's very nice covered inside. How you can see the palette, it's between these bubble wrap package. I will just remove this. Okay, and this is how the palette looks like. It's a black packaging. You can see here the signature of James Morphe. On the back you have all the details. It's the artistry palette, and you can find more information here. And let's open it. This is how it's the inside. You have this foil where you could actually see all the names that the shades are having. And oh my god. And this is how the inside is looking like. It's very nice. It's a very colorful palette. I mean, you can really unleash your inner artist. How you could see here, you could actually see the logo, unleash your inner artist, and this is how it's looking like. I will do a few swatches before I start the makeup, and then I will try to do a very nice makeup tutorial with. Now I want to swatch a few of the metallic shades. I will swatch this purple, this one, just because I want to see how it's actually looking. I want to swatch this one, and a few, this one and this one, these two. Let me just start. I do not have so many fingers. Okay, this is how they look like. They are very nice, very pigmented. I will swatch them on the back of my hand. Okay, and these are the swatches. Let me just put this tape on. Okay, this shade, it's called Halloween. The other one, this one, it's called Wig, this one. The purple one, it's called Artistry. And the blue one, it's called Hello. It's very nice. They are quite pigmented. I really like the way that they perform on my hand. We will see how they perform on my eyes. So yeah, let me just swatch a few of the mattes. I know that the mattes are not so nice when we are talking about swatches, but we will try. I will swatch the red, that it's actually the first shade that I saw when I received this palette. This is the swatches of the matte shades, and now let me tell you the names. Oh my god, I put this on reverse. Okay, the red, this color here, it's called You Are Kidding. This orangey one, kind of a brown, it's called James. This purple here, this one, it's called Love That, and the pink, it's called Skip. Now let's start to do the makeup. Okay, I will start to highlight my brow bone, and I'm using the shade Ring Light from that palette. Is the second shade, and I will highlight my brow bone. They are very pigmented, I mean, can you see? That's very nice. Very nice. And I only dipped my brush one time. I did not come back to put more eyeshadow. Okay, I forgot to show you what I used to prep my eyelids. I used this base. This is the P. Louise base 01. And I will grab the shade Tune. It's a very nice pale yellow shade. And I will start to do and build my crease. You could see that shade, it's very pale, but believe me, it's actually in there, in my crease. Now I will take the shade 518. It's very nice, kind of a orange shade. Okay, and I will also place that shade on my crease just to intensify more that color. And I would like to do a halo eye, so I will try to bring that color into my inner and my outer corner. Now I will switch brushes and I will take a smaller brush, and I'm using this brush from Day Makeup. This is 0132 brush. Okay, and I will use the shade Your Keyring, is that gorgeous red shade. And I will place it in my outer V, just very easily. Now I am moving out into the crease and I am blending that shade. I like to take a smaller brush. This is the 217 from MAC, and I grab the shade Rusted on that brush and I will blend that shade Your Keyring. Okay, now I am turning back with the first shade and I am blending those all three shades. I will take the dark pink shade just because I want to create more depth. The shade that I'm using is Love That, and I will switch brushes and I want to take a smaller brush. This is the 0132 double S brush from Day Makeup, and I will grab also that shade and I will place that shade right here. I'll grab this brush. This is the Tintoretto number 8 brush. This is a synthetic brush, and I am taking my P. Louise base, and I will do this. More, please. Okay, and now I will carve here. In that spot I will put the shade. I don't know what shade I want to put there, but I think I will put the shade Face or Sister. What shade should I put? I think Face. It's okay. Yeah, it's very nice. Now, I'll grab again this brush, the 0132 brush, and the shade Yorkie Ring, and I will place that shade right in here just to blend very well those edges. I want to take this glitter. This is a NYX Glitter Goals, and the shade that I'm using is Zodiac Queen. And I want to place this glitter right here. Yeah. Okay, I will finish up the other eye and I will be right back with you. Okay, both eyes are done. I think they are pretty nice. Let's do the bottom lash line, and I will take the shade Love That with a small detail brush. Let me just grab my mirror. And I will smudge that right here. Taking this pencil brush, this is a Zoeva brush, I don't know what number it was, and I'll grab that orange mixed with that yellow. Let me tell you, 518 and the shade Rusted, and I am blending that shade. Some falsies, and I will be right back. Mix these two lipsticks. These are the NYX Lingerie, and I have the shade 11 BabyDoll, and the other one is 15 Bustier. And let me grab my brush, and I will put this and this. I like very much how this shade is going up on me. I need to wait until this is very dry because I need to remove it. Okay, but I will like to highlight my inner corner because I forgot to highlight my inner corner. And I will use again that palette, and I will use the shade Ring Light again. And I will grab a pencil brush and I will hit, oh yeah, that inner corner. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is the palette. I'm very pleased with this palette. I mean, the colors that I use perform very well. I will test a lot this palette because I want to make sure that it's the right shade, the right choice for me. I mean, I will use also this palette on my clients, so I want this palette to be the best that I have. So yeah, I will try it more and I will use more shades, but the shades that I use today, they are very nice. I mean, they are very pigmented, they blend pretty well. I do not had any fallout on my face, how you could actually see. They are not patchy. I mean, I really like this palette. So this being said, before you leave, I have a few things to ask you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the ring bell button, because you know that this is the only way that you could be notified every time I'm uploading a new video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and a comment down below. This is everything that I have to tell you tonight. Kisses, and I will see you in my next clip. Bye!